We were eating carrots.
Yeah, and you're not eating carrots. That's not nice. That's not good.
It's not good.
You have to eat vegetables because it keeps you strong.
Strong
Yeah, it makes you tall too.
and tall
Yes.
and taller and taller and taller.
Yeah, and it also makes you intelligent.
Okay.
Do you want to be intelligent?
Yes.
You eat vegetables.
Okay.
Okay, later you eat vegetables We're going to cook.
Tomorrow in the gabi.
No, tonight.
Tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Sleep.
Mm-hmm. Wait na.
Ayaw daw. It's many. It look it makes pancit canton
That's not pancit canton. That's noodles.
and noodles.
Pancit canton is only noodles, no soup.
No soup with the yummy and vitamin. Next video.
No, badyaw. Sino si badyaw? Ikaw?
Jogging.
Si ate ang badyaw?
Ang sarap ng itlog. Naluto ko.
Kasi nga, paborito mo yung itlog.
Oo.
You finish na.
Not talking with your food.
Not talking with your food.
Why are you talking? We're not talking about your food. You need to eat the food, not talking, okay?
No.
Yes.
Not talking with your food.
Not talking with your mouth full. You know that?
Yes.
Yeah. You have to follow that.
I follow that.
I follow that. Tapos hindi mo pina-follow.
Bisa mo na. Yan. You make faster because ate will come home and then she will get the cellphone. Before it's not too late because if Tato will come, no cellphone anymore.
Oh no.
Yan. Oh, tiyaw.
Lapang masukan na parto dito.
Ayun, susi.
Saan? Hindi na